What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's Cece. For those of you who don't know, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, okay? So today's video, we are going to do a last minute Christmas glam. I know this year looks a little different, but you can still look cute in that living room, girl, okay? So I used all affordable makeup products today, but we're gonna start with the hair. This is a wig from Irresistible Me. You guys know I work with them all the time because I just love their company. So this is the wig straight out of the pack, okay? All I did was cut off the front of the lace, but this is literally straight out of the pack, so that's why it's a little crinkled up. So we're just gonna flat iron it. I'm also gonna use the Irresistible Me flat irons because I love them. Let's talk about that. They have some really great, amazing hair tools and amazing hair extensions and wigs. And this is a 20-inch straight with bangs synthetic wig. It's in the natural black color, and I'm pretty sure this is longer than 20 inches too, you guys. But I'm just doing a little recon to it because it was crinkled up in the package when it was shipped to me. So I'm just doing a little flat iron on it at 300 degrees with my flat iron, and I mean literally it was so quick, so easy, and it comes out perfectly. It's that perfect thing that you can just put on your head when your hair ain't done. You can just pop on a wig and look really cute and glam and go. And I've been really loving bangs lately, y'all. I have like a big forehead, so the bangs seriously help me. So I have a link in the description box for the wig if you guys are interested. And yeah, that's about all for the hair. Hopefully you guys love it. Now let's get into the makeup. We are going to use all affordable products for this makeup look. I love showing you guys drugstore looks. I know I do sometimes a lot of luxury products or high-end products on my channel, but I thought for Christmas, since Christmas is already a little heavy on the pockets, we could do an affordable makeup look and still look good. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows here like I normally do. Well, today I'm actually using a pomade though. This is the Revolution, the XX Revolution brow pomade. This is such a good brow pomade, you guys. I mean, honestly, make sure your brows look super natural and just really gorgeous, easy to use. I would definitely recommend it. So for shadows, we are going to use these 9-pan LA Girl shadows. Well, this one 9-pan LA Girl shadow. I'll have the name and everything linked down below. But these shadows were so gorgeous. I told you guys before, these remind me of the Huda Beauty 9-pan palettes that I absolutely love. You guys know how I stand for those. These are great dupes for those, and they're only $10. So I would definitely recommend them. You can find them at Ulta, and yeah, these are, I would definitely put these on my Christmas list if I didn't have them already. So I wanted to do more of a glam look, so we are going to use a little glitter. I'm going to take, you guys will see in a second, I'm going to take some Profusion glitter and also a base from Profusion and add that to the lids. And the look was so easy, but it looks like I put so much effort into it. So now let's move into the face. I'm going to take this Revlon primer. This is actually one of my favorite drugstore primers at the moment. I love it because it keeps me matte throughout the day.
Nobody, cause I don't want to hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you want to be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm pretty, yes, I'm pretty.
So I'm pulling out my Believe Beauty foundation. Again, this is another one of my favorite drugstore products. I love this foundation. $5 at Dollar General. You really can't beat it for the price. I mean, it is an amazing product. They have a really good line of products actually. If you haven't checked them out yet, I would definitely recommend heading to your local Dollar General and checking them out. But I'm just adding on my foundation here. I'm adding on a very light layer on the forehead because my forehead's going to be covered with the bangs, so you don't need much makeup. If you don't want to put any at all, you really don't have to. Just wanted to throw that out there because I know I've gotten that question before when people wear bangs. They're like, do I need to put makeup? You know what? If you ain't gonna lift your wig up like I just did, you really don't need to. But here I am just perfecting the foundation base. That Believe Beauty foundation just gives me such an amazing base, and it's a natural finish, not a super matte, so it's really, really nice. I'm going to take that same Makeup Revolution concealer that I use to prime my eyelids, and I'm just going to go ahead and conceal underneath the eyes just to brighten up a little bit under there. And I'm going to take the ColourPop setting powder. I'm going to mix the banana and the translucent, and I'm going to set up under my eyes.
To your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah.
To set the face, let's use another one of my drugstore favorite lines, and this is the Maybelline Superstay. I love the entire line, but this is the foundation powder, and it gives you a little bit of coverage, but like simultaneously really setting your makeup and giving you the extra longevity that you like. This is a classic here, the Wet n Wild contour palette. I'm going to take the contour shade and just go ahead and bronze up the skin a little bit, give me a little life back to my face.
Looking for some things that I think that I can find. Oh yeah, why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say oh yeah.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
So I don't think any holiday glam look is complete without a beautiful red lip. This is the red Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. Again, I'll have the exact color linked down below, but you guys already know these are one of my favorite liquid lipsticks from the drugstore. They are beautiful and vibrant, and I love them. But that is really it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was helpful for you. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Happy holidays!